Ready to unlock seamless online payments on your Hostinger website? First, log into your Hostinger account and head to the website you want to integrate with Razorpay. You will be working within the Hostinger environment for the initial setup. Next, navigate to your website settings. Look for options like e-commerce, plugins, or payment gateways. The exact location may vary depending on the theme and plugins you are using. Now, switch over to your Razorpay account if you don't have one. Sign up for a free account at Razorpay.com. Once logged in, find the API keys section in your Razorpay dashboard. Generate new API keys. You'll get a key ID and a key secret. Remember to keep these secret keys safe. Do not share it with anyone for security reasons. Return to your Hostinger website's payment gateway settings. Locate the Razorpay integration option. This may require installing a specific plugin or extension depending on your website setup. Enter your Razorpay key ID and key secret into the corresponding field. Save the changes. Do a test transaction to make sure everything is working smoothly. If the payment goes through successfully, congratulations! You've successfully integrated Razorpay with your Hostinger website. If you encounter any issues, consult Razorpay's detailed documentation or Hostinger's support resources. They can provide specific guidance for your setup. Now you can start accepting payments on your website.